Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find heads-up display, lane departure warning, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.